Hey foodies! Meet the Ninja Crispy, your new kitchen game changer. Reason 1. Durable glassware, from freezer to fryer without shattering. Reason 2. Versatility. Air fry, bake, max crisp and re-crisp. Reason 3. It's a powerhouse. 1500 watts in a portable design. Perfect for quick meals or serving a crowd. All in one system. 6-cup container. Cooks meals in just 7 minutes. Quick and easy, just like scanning the QR code or hitting our link to get it today. 4-quart container. Fits a 4-pound chicken with veggies. Perfect for families. Snap lock lids keep your meals secure on the go. Cleanup's a breeze. All parts are dishwasher-safe. Compact storage. Everything nests neatly in your cabinets. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Grab your Ninja Crispy now. Hit the link below and start cooking healthier today.